I'm like, oh, let's go. Time to go to bed. That's a win.
I don't know, man.
I'm on commentary.
Oh, you had him so many times. You had
Yeah,
him.
no, I'm just like, I could have been
Bro, I'm telling you right now, it is a minigame. It is actually a minigame. You have to know how to play against it.
It's just, it's all about edge guarding, honestly.
No, yeah, it's not.
No, it's so much about edge.
No, it's not.
No, how is it not his edge? Activity recovery.
You play it as Ike, bro.
No, I can edge guard him with like shoe tied behind my neck, bro.
I mean, like, let's not.
It's not like eating that, and you're doing for
Lightning fast.
We're in up like the end in like 5 years, but
No, Berg was actually again in main all week.
Oh, wait,
He's actually
this game too.
of course.
What's the line?
He's dead though. Oh, yo, bird recovery always broke me off because it's pretty bad. Yo, because okay, he side B's, but he does it at different times with Tango. Because he side the gate too, but it's different times that fucks me every time.
Okay, my problem is that I have the knowledge that he's seen Stango duck ass so many times with McGee, and then also does it, and I just
It's like playing a bad player.
it's
Yeah.
They know funny, but they just do random shit.
I don't want to see. I'm not on this train.
That's what I said. I'm definitely worse than everyone else here.
I'm keeping hard on PS2 too. I feel like there's definitely Bird's best stage. The stage looks by like a lot.
Well, the thing about New York also is that, like, the local is always pretty stacked. So it's like, if you go 0-2 losing like D, Mari, or like W
Down. Oh, that's good DI by Bird. Oh, shine again?
alright. Like, Bird is actually like a 1-2er at local. Is it worse? Is it like worth saving?
It's not 1-2er
I think I just
I think he was already going up by the time that he saw.
No, not anymore. I think Bird's playing really well. I think Bird has always been playing really well over quarantine.
Nah, I think Bird plays like shit 90% of the time. No, this is bad. No. I play Bird so much more than all of you. Bird plays like shit 90% of the time, but right now he's playing okay.
Bob, I'm gonna be real, bro. Playing like shit versus you is not indicative.
No. I can see. I'm fine, bro. I'm fine. I can see.
I was playing alright. I'm telling you, and I was doing fine. I've been playing Bob. After the 4th game, my brain's done. I'm not thinking anymore. I'm taking random locations, action. I'm like, I can't win this, bro.
No, but Brad, I'm telling Bird's playing alright now. He's playing safe. He's not messing up horribly like he normally does.
That's what I'm saying, bro. He's not playing you.
Honestly, I think this whole stage list is nut town for Fox, man.
Yeah, I think so too.
I can't even think of the stage Fox wouldn't be like, yeah, I would definitely count Victor every time.
Yeah, I honestly I think you ban Mulgaris immediately as Fox. I think.
Maybe.
I think it's ban Mulgaris.
Might be his
He's
worst.
got walls though.
I think he just fucks on every other stage.
I think that's his worst stage though, out of all the stages.
I don't even think it's bad.
I don't think it's bad either, but it's my good opposite to take on Pesto.
Oh, she would have left it pretty quick. Yeah, she definitely colored up twice.
Bird is low-key on a run right now.
Bird is on.
Nah, because it's Mewtwo, so this doesn't matter. Because he just gets punished like 4 times and it's over.
What do you say this right now? What is Fox's worst stage? It has to be Mulgaris, right? Like maybe
I literally don't
like
I think Smashville is not very good for
it. It
it.
could be Smashville. It's true. The platformer doesn't leave the stage anymore.
Yeah.
But I don't even think in most matchups it's not. Alright, in this matchup it's probably bad.
It's definitely, yeah, any matchup where you kind of want an FD-like stage, you just would go here.
But yeah, on this version of Smashville, it's a lot better.
Yeah, it's way better.
It's way better. Because the platform will help you out so much more often.
Oh no.
Yeah, she's been doing that a lot.
I feel like she could get shine there pretty easy.
Yeah, but yo, Bird's actually drilling grabbing, and that's it.
It is good.
It's so broken. That's all my Fox does. And I can't play Fox at all, and it's so good.
All I do is kind of wave side. I think the longer this set goes, the worse it is gonna be.
Yeah, cause drill grab, true combos on like most of the cast. It's like pretty fucking good.
You're dead as shit.
Oh,
I thought.
You should just run some finesse. Yo, see, Bird's it's just like,
Opus McGee's honestly.
like him McGee's different from Stango.
I'm not gonna lie. I think it's the worst. I think it's gonna be 3-1 fit.
Yo, chill.
I think the longer this set goes, the better.
Yeah.
Nah, the longer this set goes, the better Bird's gonna do. Watch this. Oh, back air?
Is that your brain or your... Yeah. Is that your brain or your heart? No, is that your brain or your heart? That's your heart.
Oh,
Oh, that's the Fox special right there.
yo, he just has to neutral get him.
Yo, you know what I think? You always hold ledge against Faye, honestly.
No, you always hold ledgers Mewtwo now because Mewtwo has lag.
You always look like that now.
Yeah, before, they don't much with the cast, so before he used to just get up basically for free, yeah?
Yeah, he would just like fucking get 10 frames and then like have no lag.
Yeah, but wouldn't you want to like ideally hold ledge more before, since you would rather have center or hit
Well, I
her?
think it depends on the
No,
character.
because if you held ledge before, then Mewtwo would just get standard for free.
You can't punish center.
No,
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You want to
Well, these days,
want to hold ledge.
well, no, these days you do want to hold ledge.
These days you do want to hold ledge.
You're
not saying the same thing.
You are doing the same thing.
Yeah,
Guard, throw out there.
Just fucking up.
Obviously, though, I do think if your character's not fast, it's going to be a lot harder to punish K2 going center.
So I'm pretty sure up throw up air like doesn't work if GTI is
It
out.
doesn't work.
Like if GTI is to the left or right.
Just started regular DI.
Just regular DI behind Fox, I'm pretty sure it doesn't work.
It's gotta be tight. What is
Afraid
that, this
it's-
air dodge?
I'm pretty sure it's not
No.
even tight. I'm pretty sure it's not even tight.
That would be better. I guess means you can't really cover that now.
That doesn't matter.
Maybe she can like ledge drop up air. That might matter. Ledge drop up air with double jump back air. That actually could be the one.
Okay, this is continuous. Up throw, up air,
It takes a while. That's just hard. Oh god.
I cannot believe Bird just beat.
I can't. I think he was just looking for the up smash and he just happened to be here. He was just like, oh,
is that raw or choice?
That's something.
that was wrong.
Oh, big damage.
Oh, man. I think Bird is really bad at playing China.
Oh, this is bad. Damn, she got there.
Up there.
I think
Up
Bird should shine
there.
stall.
Up there again.
Oh,
should be playing harder.
that was a misinput for sure. Definitely misinput. There's no way that was read. That had to be
What the fuck?
Yeah,
I guess. I feel like, man, if you grab Fox center stage, man, maybe you just throw him off now, or is it not better?
No, because you get guaranteed combos.
Why we not go guaranteed combo?
No, I mean like at 100, like 110 there or something, and she down through it. It's just like a tech chase, but
Oh.
not guaranteed.
Oh, well, yeah, down throw, you probably go down through setup.
Yeah, out smash is this is kind of like a.
I feel like there's a lot of times that it would
I don't think so. I think out smash is something that we didn't change. Oh, he gets it again. I think she's trying to fair out.
I think at that percent, like 60, it might work, but I think later it don't. I don't even know if that works. I think if it was Fuzz, I think Fuzz might get the.
No. He goes. That was pretty interesting.
That was cool. That's cool.
And
Nah,
I think he was still too high to
Really?
make it good, but it was like the
Is
idea.
down smash? I mean, is down throw ever the option there? Because you also kind of react to that throw. It's just,
Yeah, but if it's in the corners, I think if she gets covered, yeah, it's like a 50-50. Like
it's not really though. 'Cause it's like a very slow 50-50. It's like a fucking 60-40 at best.
But if you throw Fox
Hey.
off, the back end goes under the leg.
I'm ignoring you, bro.
It's not 50-50.
Now it has vibing.
Oh, he's listening to Doja. But anyway.
They're playing Doja, bro.
Yeah. But anyway, it's not 50-50 because you can react to the throw.
I think it's a great Fox stage.
I think
Just
so.
to say. Yeah, it's got.
I don't think the stage is that good for Fox.
Wait, he's got all the room he needs.
I think it's gonna hurt Fox too.
Yeah, but I feel like once it turns into here, I don't know.
It wasn't moved.
But now it's Middle Cavern.
Then I-
Middle Cavern's great for Fox.
Really?
Yeah.
Nah, I think Metal Cavern's like pretty good for Fox. This isn't really Metal Cavern because it's like nearly as high.
I don't even think Metal Cavern's that good.
Nah, it's pretty good.
Really?
Because it's like if you up a lot of characters, you upgrade him, you have to guess. Oh, this
Yeah.
is Taiga? Fuck this.
Yeah.
No,
This shit's trash.
no, Tiger kind of spits.
This shit's trash. You kidding me? It's all in the cat.
Faye is not SDIing at all.
I started that down with Mewtwo on, in all fairness. He's a giant thing.
Oh, no.
I love the shine stall, but then he was crap.
Goodies in the purse. Tiger does spit.
What?
Tiger does spit on this first.
Malachi has spicy voting power, in this opinion.
Yeah, actually, no, he's gonna be 3.
No, he's a Doja stand, bro.
Yeah, that's why I have one power. Oh, look at that. The FBI?
Something to his lag, yes.
That too.
Time's pretty easy.
I'm sorry.
Sit down.
This game is not ad.
That's fucking
Not even a voting option. Is this bad? Juicy by Doja Cat.
Oh, he's dead.
Also, the music video. I'm down bad for that music video, bro. Let me tell you.
Nah, yeah.
I can do whatever about Doja Cat, but she dies.
Just like that.
Wait, the mic's on.
That
Oh, not the right. They're gonna know you're heterosexual. Oh, no.
Chat, what was better? Doja Cat or that roll from Ledge from Faye? That's comment in the chat.
What?
Yeah, you got it.
You gotta go.
That was from dad, bro. That was from dad.
I roll his hair away. It's over now.
Bert getting his footing here.
It is.
She got out.
Oh, he did. You took that somewhere else. You two, he's like, floating though.
Yeah, besides being
Okay, so you know like the Galaxy Brain progression meme?
Yeah.
For me, it's like Fox sucks, Fox is broken, Fox sucks, Fox is broken. It doesn't Fox is broken, but
it definitely does.
So Matt, I did not follow you.
No, I know what you mean.
Around
That was very cool.
because sometimes you be watching Fox, you're like Fox sucks. Or you watch Fox, you're like,
She's missing a lot of input. But we take the old super.
I mean, it's
Instead of practice,
Yeah, no, that
playing
makes
how it goes.
YouTube is a character.
Oh no, guilty gear. my bad.
Okay, yeah. I was
Guilty
gonna
Gear,
say,
Guilty Gear.
if she, you know, he'll play the
Honestly, that's the hard part for
That's
YouTube.
bad.
I think YouTube is like one of the characters.
Oh,
Oh, you got the idol.
yeah. Oh.
God.
We did.
Oh,
No, he actually, there was not a out to FBI bird bit.
oh, really?
He's getting
Funny.
Yeah. I'm feeling he's not weird.
See, but I'm bad enough to know what he's gonna eat.
No, he got it, but it was too good.
not dead, not dead.
No,
Yeah,
he's
oh, like, thank God, the eye.
More of those in your space, though, man.
Okay.
Oh my God, nuts.
Oh,
You
shit.
gotta,
Oh,
you gotta see it.
There's a
I
mashup
hate when people like dash dance like that. Look for the roll, get the roll until
They
they
know
everything. You know?
No, I forget
Oh.
comments. Oh, you're right, you're right.
Jab, 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 jab.
Man, it's not supposed to
Oh, faithing into herself.
Tell you,
Lag.
it's lag. Actually.
Okay, so the people said the Taiga is 50-50 on eat or shit, so...
Yo, you know, this is where you get to the quality of the people. Who's saying the Tiger's fire?
Max, in the chat, who's saying Taiga's fire, who's saying Taiga's shit?
You know, who's saying it? I need to know answers.
I know my dog job.
Wow,
You're gonna get, you know exactly what you're gonna get, bro.
You got the whites. You got the whites for sure.
Nah, you get the whites, bro.
I think it's a shit stage counter pick, by the way.
Really?
Yeah, a tiny ass flat zone. Bro, Mewtwo died at 60.
I don't know, but it's like most of it is
Look at how open it is. Look at how
So, yeah.
it's all FD.
Yeah, no, I think this is fine. This is literally FD, but slightly different. Look at FD also FD into that D.
Dude,
No, I think this is
last one's
fine.
a big deal.
You get grabbed on like 70% of the stage and it's like,
almost done. Up smash skills. Anywhere, all the time.
Yeah, maybe not.
Up smash bumps.
Oh, she missed. Oh, God. That was, it's over.
yeah, Bird just said something in the player can too. He said, I back there.
Boom, you're super.
Whoa,
That SDI was down as
Bird.
fuck.
I kind of don't like what Bird's doing here, where he's like making it nonchalant and talking during the set. I fuck with it.
Did you
Because
transfer
it's-
the wrong way?
Yeah,
Yeah.
well,
This game sucks.
yeah.
At the time, it's like, as the worst player,
You can't, you give, oh, no jump, no jump.
as the worst player, you talking always has the advantage.
Me?
No, Bird was talking to Faye. Like, I back
Oh,
there.
that was a,
Oh, yeah.
he missed his jump.
Oh, you're dead.
That's dead.
So dead.
Oh,
yeah.
No way. Bird. I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it.
Bird, I've seen Bird.
Yeah, Bob. I still want to say it.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, oh.
Oh, she's dead. Yeah.
Alright, I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it, but do you know what lose semis is right now? It's Bird losers.
Is it more?
You against.
Well,
It's Bird Mo.
Oh,
Do you think Bird can win that?
you mean if Bird wins?
Oh, that's nice.
Bird could win it. But I would not put it past Mo to put Bird in the third.
wait, hold on.
I mean, Bird's up by a lot.
Nah, it's actually
One
be-
transfer.
because this matchup, she teleports in pairs, and then it's like,
I'm actually on Pete's side. I think this is a pretty good lead for Fox.
oh,
I see what you're doing. God, he had his music.
no, oh,
Oh, never mind. Oh.
yeah, she's like dropping a lot of shit.
Oh, jeez.
Oh,
Yeah, you had to
Right,
do
right,
neutral.
right.
Oh, I can't believe. Oh, okay.
Bird played nice.
Normal get up.
He
Okay.
actually won.
Oh my God.
Oh, alright.
No, he's not.
Oh,
No.
alright, yeah.
That's, you know, I'm telling you, this is look big for this matchup.
That's what I'm saying too, Pete.
It's like big.
Wait, you just said it didn't suck, dude.
No,
Me and
no.
Bob were saying I was.
No, I'm saying this is good for Fox.
Yes, that's what me and Bob were saying. I know. Good for Fox.
Glad you're saying it's good for Mewtwo.
Yo, Matt.
Whose side are you?
Yeah, this shit's not over. This shit's not over. Hold
This is
on.
not good.
Back throw Shadow Ball is it? Cause that's not hitting, yeah.
Yeah. Good for
Like-
Fox. Good for Fox, by the way.
Oh,
Good hit hits every time. Yup.
now what?
No, is she?
Yo, did she
okay.
have to do the double jump cancel low one, right?
No, she did do the. Oh, she's still alive.
Oh, that was super close.
This is really close, actually.
That was tricky. God, that's a flag.
That's
Oh,
fine.
no.
So grab.
Oh.
That's fine too. I mean, this is easy.
Oh.
This is.
Oh, they're all before
Shadow
taking that tag. Up smashing.
Shit.
Smash is lethal.
Yes.
Oh, let's.
Oh, that's such a bad.
That's a bad grab.
Oh my god! Oh, Jesus
Uh, yeah.
Christ! That was so much spaghetti.
You heard it here first, folks.
We
And now we play now.
Really, no one would expect Goldrick to burn through the winner semi. I think Goldrick semi was dragging.